Our society comprises men and women. In earlier times, men were considered to be the leading members of a family. They were responsible for earning the livelihood and were the decision takers of the family. On the other hand, women were responsible for doing household work and upbringing of the children. So, the role were mainly based on gender. There was no involvement of women in decision making. If we assess our entire sector, then research says that women's issues are either focused on her reproductive role and her body or on her economic role as a worker. But none of them is focused on empowering the woman. What does women empowerment mean? Women empowerment is the process that creates power in women to live a happy and respectable life in a society. Women are empowered when they are able to access opportunities in a variety of fields such as in education, profession, lifestyles, etc. Without any limitations and restrictions, it includes raising their status through education, awareness, literacy, and training. It also includes the authority to take decisions. When a woman makes a crucial decision, she feels empowered. Women's empowerment is the most crucial point for the overall development of a country. Suppose in a family there is one earning person while in another family both men and women are earning. Then who will have a better lifestyle? The answer is simple. The family where both men and women are earning money, thus the country where men and women work together develops at a faster rate. Need for women empowerment. History says that women were ill-treated. The sati pratha in the ancient times to the girl child abortion. In the present scenario, women continue facing such violence. Not only this, heinous crimes against women such as rape, acid attack, dowry system, honor killing, domestic violence, etc. are still happening in India. Out of the total population, 50% of the population should consist of women. However, due to female foeticide practices, girl child numbers are decreasing sharply in India. It has also impacted the sex ratio in India. The literacy rate in girls is very low. Most of the girls are not even provided with primary education. Moreover, they are married early and made to raise children and shoulder only household work. They are not allowed to go out and are dominated by their husbands. Women are taken for granted by men as they are considered their property. Even at the workplace, women are discriminated against. They are paid less for the same work as compared to their male counterparts. Steps to empower women. Women can be empowered in various ways. It can be done through government schemes as well as on an individual basis. At the individual level, we should start respecting women and start giving them opportunities equal to men. We should promote and encourage them to take up jobs, higher education, business activities, etc. The government has come up with various schemes such as Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Yojana, Mahila Hath, Mahila Shakti Kendra, Working Women Hostel, Shukanya Samriddhi Yojana, etc. To empower women, apart from these schemes, we as individuals can also empower women by abolishing social evils like the dowry system, child marriage. These small steps will change the situation of women in society and make them feel empowered.